Looking for the best smart TVs in 2025? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best smart TVs, ranked from number 5 to number 1, covering everything from picture quality and smart features to design and value for money. Our number 1 pick stands out as the best overall, and you won't want to miss it. Check the description for links to all the models mentioned. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Panasonic Z95 Series 65-inch OLED Smart Fire TV, a high-performance 2024 model that blends cinematic picture quality with smart functionality. This stunning 4K Ultra HD OLED TV delivers exceptional contrast, deep blacks, and vibrant colors thanks to Panasonic's Master OLED Pro panel. With support for Dolby Vision IQ and HDR10 adaptive, the Z95 dynamically adjusts brightness and tone mapping based on your environment, ensuring optimal visuals in any lighting condition. Gamers will appreciate the 144 Hz refresh rate, which offers ultra-smooth motion for high frame rate gaming on next-gen consoles or PCs. The low input lag and support for HDMI 2.1 features like VRR and ALM make it a serious contender in the gaming TV space. As a Smart Fire TV, it integrates Alexa voice controls and hand-free functionality, giving you effortless access to your favorite apps, live TV, and streaming services. You can even control smart home devices directly through the TV. While the price point might be higher than some mid-range options, the Panasonic Z95 delivers premium performance and versatility, making it a strong start to our top 5 countdown. At number 4, we have the impressive Sony BRAVIA XR-A95L Series 65-inch QD-OLED TV, one of Sony's most advanced offerings in the 2024 to 2025 lineup, and a dream come true for cinephiles and gamers alike. This stunning QD-OLED panel combines the best of OLED contrast with quantum dot technology to deliver incredibly rich colors, deep blacks, and dazzling highlights. With 4K Ultra HD resolution, Dolby Vision HDR, and the power of the cognitive processor XR, the A95L creates an exceptionally lifelike viewing experience by analyzing and optimizing content the same way the human brain does. What really sets this model apart is its exclusive gaming features for the PlayStation 5, including auto HDR tone mapping, auto genre picture mode, and a game menu with real-time adjustments for VRR, black equalizer, and more. Plus, the 120 Hz refresh rate, HDMI 2.1, and ALM ensure buttery smooth gameplay. As a smart Google TV, it offers access to all your favorite apps, streaming services, and personalized content, all navigable through Google Assistant or hands-free voice control. If you're after cinematic brilliance and top-tier gaming performance in one package, the Sony A95L is a powerhouse that's tough to beat. Claiming the number 3 spot is the Hisense 100-inch U8 Series Mini LED UL 4K Google Smart TV 100 U8K, a massive and immersive display that brings a true theater experience to your living room. This beast of a TV combines Mini LED backlighting with QLED quantum dot technology, delivering stunning brightness, rich contrast, and vivid color accuracy. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or a live sports event, the 100-inch display pulls you right into the action with jaw-dropping clarity. The U8K supports Dolby Vision IQ, HDR10, and full-array local dimming, ensuring dynamic picture quality in every scene. Game Mode Pro with 144 Hz refresh rate, HDMI 2.1, VRR, and ALM make it an absolute powerhouse for gamers. Offering fluid gameplay and ultra-low latency, even on such a large screen. Powered by Google TV, it provides a personalized and seamless smart TV experience, with support for voice controls, Google Assistant, and Alexa compatibility. The built-in 2.1.2 multi-channel audio system enhances immersion with rich, cinematic sound. If you're looking to go big, literally, the Hisense 100 U8K offers unbelievable scale and premium performance at a surprisingly competitive price. Coming in at number 2 is the LG 65-inch Class OLED Evo C4 Series Smart TV, OLED 65 C4 PUA, 2024. A stunning 4K television that pushes OLED performance to the next level with LG's latest enhancements in picture quality, smart features, and AI integration. At the heart of this model is the Alpha 9 AI processor Gen 7, which uses deep learning to intelligently upscale content, fine-tune picture settings, and optimize audio for a truly immersive experience. The OLED Evo panel delivers exceptional brightness and contrast, with perfect black levels, vibrant colors, and infinite contrast ratio, making everything from dark dramas to colorful animations look breathtakingly real. For gamers, the LG C4 is a standout performer. It supports 4K at 120 Hz, VRR, ALLM, and GSYNC/FreeSync Premium, ensuring ultra-smooth gameplay with incredibly low input lag. The Game Optimizer dashboard lets you tweak performance in real time, whether you're on a console or PC. Running on WebOS, this smart TV gives you access to all your favorite apps and streaming platforms, while Alexa built-in and the Magic Remote make navigation fast and intuitive. Whether you're into movies, sports, or high-end gaming, the LG OLED Evo C4 offers flagship-level performance that's hard to beat in its price range. Taking the top spot on our list is the Samsung S95 65-inch HDR OLED Smart TV 2024, a powerhouse of innovation, performance, and next-gen entertainment features, bundled with a 1-year CPS Enhanced Protection Pack and Premier Movie Streaming Package for unbeatable value. At the core of the S95D is Samsung's cutting-edge QD-OLED panel, delivering stunning 4K visuals with deep blacks, vivid color accuracy, and exceptional peak brightness, even in bright rooms. Thanks to the OLED glare-free technology, reflections are minimized without compromising contrast, making it perfect for any viewing environment. Powered by Samsung's Neural Quantum Processor 4K, the S95D intelligently upscales content, enhances motion clarity, and optimizes HDR formats like HDR10, HLG, and HDR10. With a native 144 Hz refresh rate, this TV is a dream for gamers, offering HDMI 2.1, VRR, and ALM support, ensuring ultra-low latency and buttery-smooth visuals. The Smart Hub interface brings all your content together in one intuitive platform, while built-in Alexa and Bixby add voice control convenience. With the included streaming and protection bundle, this package goes beyond a TV. It's a premium home entertainment solution. If you're after elite performance and feature-rich design, the Samsung S95D is hands down the best smart TV you can buy in 2025. Thanks for watching our countdown of the best smart TVs in 2025. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. See you next time.